How to change Facebook page name. Firstly, open up your Facebook and click on hamburger icon, and from here on the profile switch back to your page, and after that click on hamburger icon again and click on settings on the top right corner. Click on page settings, click on name, and from here you can change your page name. After you change your page name, bear in mind that you will not be able to change it for the next 7 days, and after you rename your page, click on review change and enter your password and click on save changes. And this is how you change your Facebook page name. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.